Okay, currently I want to check the manual attendance. So, Aini Firhani ada?
Ya, saya, doktor.
Okay, thank you. Nur Jannah? Nur Fakira?
Saya, doktor.
Okay, thank you. Maisarah Hamizan? Nur Alia?
Saya, doktor.
Okay, thank you. Nurul Natasha? Okay, thank you. Tan Sherway? Ainur Zahida?
Saya, doktor.
Okay, thank you. Nur Alia Natasha?
Ya, saya, doktor. Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi. Nurul Ain?
Ya, saya. Selamat pagi, doktor.
Selamat pagi. Terima kasih. Nur Izzati?
Selamat pagi, doktor. Saya.
Okay, terima kasih. Winiting?
Morning, doktor.
Morning. Siti Nurul Fasihah?
Ya, saya, doktor.
Okay, thank you. Nurul Najwa?
Assalamualaikum, doktor.
Salam. Ti Fang Yi?
Good morning, doktor.
Okay, good morning. Ahmad Nasharuddin? Muhammad Arif?
Saya, doktor.
Okay, good
Pagi.
morning. Selamat pagi. Wong Kong Wei? Yohanis Imani?
Morning, doktor.
Doktor.
Ya, thank you.
Doktor, saya Wong.
Wah, Wong, okay. Thank you. Nur Fadilah?
Ya, saya, doktor.
Okay, terima kasih. Nur Sufi Najwa?
Saya, doktor. Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi. Lian Weili?
Morning, doctor.
Morning. Ching Mei?
Morning, doktor.
Okay, morning. Muhammad Nur Ikram?
Morning, doktor.
Okay, morning. Kui Ziming?
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Nurul Huda Hanani?
Morning, doktor.
Okay, terima kasih. Lu Yuting?
Morning,
Good morning, how are you?
I'm fine today.
Okay, thank you. Candy? Join? Maisarah Alwani.
Sir, I'm Joanne. Good morning, sir.
Okay, thank you. Maisarah.
Saya, Doktor.
Okay, thank you. Chong Chi Sam.
Yes, morning, sir.
Good morning. Nur Hazirah. Good morning. Yuni Zaratika.
Saya, Doktor.
Okay, thank you. Ahmad Taufik. Ahmad Taufik.
Ya, Doktor. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Thank you. Chong Hon Lian.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning. Nur Mariam.
Ada, Doktor. Selamat pagi.
Terima kasih. Lau Wing.
Yes, morning, doctor.
Good morning. Siti Nur Asia.
Selamat pagi, Doktor.
Okay, thank you. P. King King. Siti Rabiatu.
Yes, Doktor. Morning.
Chang Yuzwan. Lim Yi. Nur Alia Natasha. Sorry, Nur Alia Nabila. Nur Mahira.
Yes, Doktor. Good morning.
Good morning. Nur Ain Syafiqah.
Yes, Doktor. Good morning.
Okay, good morning. Ong Yu Hui.
Morning, Doktor.
Good morning. Nur Hafizah.
Morning, Doktor.
Good morning. Last sekali Amirul Hazim. Okay, saya just recheck lagi sekali. Tanya Nur Jannah ada.
Saya, Doktor.
Okay, thank you. Maisarah.
Saya, Doktor.
Okay, thank you. Tan Sherway. Ahmad.
Sir, mic
Sabri.
dia ada problem.
Tan Sherway mic problem
Ya, dia tulis dekat chat.
Oh, saya belum tengok chat sebab saya kongsi QR code. Okay, thank you. Tolong inform siapa yang perlukan manual transfer. Ahmad Nasharuddin ada. Candy.
Morning, Doktor.
Oh, morning. T. King King. Chan Yuzwan. Nampak dia berjuan
Morning, doctor.
Morning. Lee Yim Yi. Lim Yi Ying. Okay. Just stop the QR code. We go for our slide. Over. Okay, last session kita stop on slide number 25. Okay, kita last stop 25. Kita move to slide 25. Okay, before we go slide 25, they have relationship with slide slide 23. Okay, in slide 23, we do the exercise, we get the result. So the result, they say null hypothesis is rejected. So we reject the null hypothesis, we accept the H1. Okay. So we accept the H1. What the H1 say? H1 say that means the all four airlines are different. So they mean not same, they are different. So in slide 25, so we want to take two airlines. That means we want to take only two mean, two group, using the confidence interval method to identify what is the best company of between the four group. Okay. So now we use this formula. That means we use the confidence interval to identify two company, which one the best. So we using this formula. This formula say x of the group number one mean minus group number two mean plus and minus t value square root mean square error times 1 over n1 plus 1 over n2. Okay. So we use this formula to identify the confidence interval of two mean group. Okay. Kalau you tengok t value here, this t value, so they're using the t table. T table. So in this slide, they say in appendix B2, usually you open the book of the statistic. At the back of the book, they provide the T table. Okay, this one degree of freedom and minus K. Okay. Then we take the two examples. So we take the example of American and US always. We only take two companies. Then we use the 95 confidence interval. So this one, that means we decide the method of 95% confidence interval, which we choose only two companies. Where is the American and US always? Okay. Now we look back what the mean of American and what the mean of US always. This mean result we get from the table, this table. So now we choose American and US always. Airways, bukan always, Airways. Jadi mungkin saya silap sebut juga. So we take the mean, the mean of the both company, 87.25 for the American, then 69.0 for US Airways. So this data we use and we utilize in this formula That means we take 87.25 here, minus 69. Then we got the plus minus 2.101. 2.101 is the T table. We get this value from T table. That means we open the T table, this slide 27. This one T table, we see the 95 confidence interval n minus k. That means we get 18. So where this value is n minus k. So we have 22 minus k 4 because we have the 4 group of a line. That's why we get 18. With the chain of this one, we get 2.101. That's why this value we got 2.101. That means MSE 33.0. How we get 33.0? That means from the previous slide. In the slide, okay, this slide 23. So we get this value. Mean square of error is 33.02. Okay. Then we again look the formula 1/4 plus 1/6. That means for the group of American and US airways of the data. So how we get 4 and how we get 6. This one from this data, this table. This table, that means we have 4 data n equal to 4. And this table, US airways, we get n equal to 6. So the y in the formula, we have 4 and 6. So we get the answer 18.25 plus minus 7.79. Okay, boleh saya minta Nurul Natasha, you ada calculator? Okay, now you take this value 18.25 plus 7.79. Okay, now we get 26.04. Then another one, we try lagi sekali 18.25 minus 7.79. Okay, thank you. Terima kasih, Nurul Natasha. Now, from this formula, we get two values. First value we get 10.46 and another value we get 26.04. Okay, that means we see the first answer we get 10.46. The front as one we got plus. That means we got the plus, positive plus. So we got plus here. In front of 10 we got plus. So in front of 26 also we got plus. Boleh saya tanya Tan Shui Wei? Tan Shui Wei? Oh, Tan Shui Wei kata mic problem. Okay. I know Zuhaida.
Saya doktor.
Okay, Ain, nak tanya Ain, how we know this one is positive in the fund and this one also positive in the fund? Faham soalan tak?
No, sir.
So we look this figure 10.46 di depan adalah positif kan?
Ya.
Okay, 26.04 di depan also positif ni kan?
Ya. Dua-dua
Okay, because yes, habis that mean this both value are positive. That means 10.46 and 26.04 are positive. So, that means here, you tengok dekat, okay, thank you, Ain. So, we look, the both end are positive here. Because the both end are positive, so we conclude, we say, the treatment mean differ significantly. That means we can say that services provided by American are not equal to US always. This one our decision. That means from this formula, x0 minus x that means this both company, because then we get the value positive and positive. So they say the both on the positive, we conclude this company are different. Okay? This one is the decision. Siapa yang confused? Who is still confused? Boleh tanya soalan?
Doktor, yang ni kan sebenarnya kita nak cari untuk apa?
Kita nak cari adakah dua company yang berbeza, sebab slide yang sebelum ni, kita tengok slide sebelum ni, kita dapati result dia, we reject the null hypothesis. Then we accept the H1. Kita accept H1 but we reject the null hypothesis. So,
Ni H0 kan?
so what H1 say? H1 say the all four company are not equal. Are not equal. Kita tengok H1, what H1 say. This one. H1 say the mean are not equal. Because the mean not equal, we want to identify which company is better. Yang mana satu company is good. So that's why we proceed using this formula. By using this formula, we want to identify these two company, which one is better. Boleh? Siapa yang tanya soalan tadi?
Ya. Boleh.
Okay. So because we get the both n is positive, so we conclude the A American are not same to US always. This one our decision. Jadi siapa yang masih confused?
Doktor,
Okay.
kalau nilai dia jadi negatif, what happen?
That means similar. Kalau salah satu dapat negatif, so same. Kalau salah satu dapat negatif and negatif, another one negative, that means different. Bergantung pada, depend on symbol there, bergantung pada result. So we get positive, that means different. Negative, different. Negative, positive or negative, positive, negative, that means same. Okay ke? Boleh?
Okay, doktor, boleh.
Okay, now we move on to two-way analysis. Just now, previously we learned about the one-way analysis. Now we go back to two-way analysis. Then two-way analysis is really using the SPSS. It's much better because this SPSS, they provide to us the calculations using the formula. In case we using the manual calculation, they take a lot of time to determine the ANOVA, two-way ANOVA. Two-factor ANOVA, that means they have add in another block. That means they have treatment and effect, and they have the block. Okay. So formula for SSB, sum square of block. SSB, that means sum square of the block. That means K, sum of XB minus XB bar mean of both all by 2. Using this formula, that means K is treatment, B is block, XB they mean the mean of block, and XG they mean grand mean. They mean all population grand mean. So we see the example. Tadi saya tanya Nur Alia Natasha. So boleh tanya Nurul Ain.
Ya,
Nurul Ain boleh baca slide ni?
boleh. Warta, the Warren Area Regional Transit Authority, is expanding bus service from the suburb of Starbridge into the central business district of Warren. There are 4 routes being considered from Starbridge to downtown Warren. 1 via US 6, 2 via West End, 3 via the Historic Street Bridge, and 4 via Route 59. Warta conduct several tests to determine whether there are a difference in the mean travel time along the 4 routes. Because there will be many different drivers, the test was set up so each driver drove along each of the 4 routes. Next slide shows the travel time in minutes for each driver route combinations at the 0.5 signification level. Is there a difference in the mean travel time along the 4 routes? If we remove the effect of the driver, is there a difference in the mean travel time?
Okay, thank you. So now we have this data. So we have 4 route. Route number 1 US 6, 2 West End, number 3 Hickory Street, number 5 Route 59. So we have 4 routes. Then we have 5 drivers. This one, the name of drivers. We have 5 drivers. The Dean, Lavelli, Olson, Delaco, and Fulak. Each of them is recorded in the minute. The mean, this one, the data represent of each driver and the route. So we have the 4 route, and we have the 5 drivers. So this condition of example, we say two-way analysis of variance. They need two-way ANOVA. Okay. Now step number 1, we develop the hypothesis. We say in A0, the 4 root are equal. Each one, they mean are not equal. So we get F0 is F more than F alpha 3 minus 1 n minus 2. Step number 2, level of significance is given 0.05. Step number 3, we use the ANOVA because the more than 2 groups. Then we use the F statistic. So step number 4, we make our decision. We say we reject F0 if the F more than F alpha k minus 1 n minus 2. Now we have the 4 group. 4 minus 1, we get 3. So all data, we have 20. So how do we get 20? I mean from here, each category is 5 times 4, we get 20. So therefore we get 20 here, minus 4, that means we get 60. Okay. Then we look the F statistic, F table at the alpha 0.05. Then we look the numerator is 3, denominator is 6. Boleh siapa yang ada internet, cuba find out the F distribution table. Ya, saya pun cari juga F distribution table. So make sure you find out the alpha 0.05. So upper one, numerators, you see number 3. Denominators is 60. Intersection, we will get 3.2389. So look at F. You jangan type tengok ANOVA table lah. ANOVA table memang tak ada. You look at the F distribution table. Okay. Alpha 0.05, degree of freedom 1 equal to 3, or they call numerators. Degree of freedom 2, denominators, you look at 60. Interchange, you get 3.23. So interchange, that means both the numerators and denominators, we get 3.2389. That's why they get this result. Okay, boleh saya tanya, tadi saya tanya Nurul Ain, sekarang saya nak tanya Nurul Izzati. Nurul Izzati ada? Nurul Izzati guna handphone Ada? Boleh dengar suara saya?
Ada.
Okay, Nurul Izzati. 3.28 is what value? Apakah value ini? 3.28.
Hah?
Apa maksud 3.28?
3.28.
Ah,
Hmm.
macam mana kita nak dapat 3.28? You dah tahu kan?
Cari kat table.
Dah tahu?
Ha?
Dah tahu kan?
Dah.
Okay. You dah tahu 3.28. Then 3.28 ni, what is this? Apakah benda ni? What is this? Apa dia?
Critical value.
Good. So this one they call critical value. Critical value is our model. They call critical value. Now, the next step, we need to find out the mean of the group. Okay. Now, just now we have the data. We have the 4 root. This root number 2, root number 3, and root number 4. So we have 5 drivers. So we collect the mean of the each group. Yeah. Then we need to calculate the SSB. SSB, the main formula from the sum, okay, sum of XB minus XB power by 2. Okay, now we have the K, the main the 4, 19.5, we get from here, we mean this value, then minus 22.8. 22.8, the mean grand value, mean for grand value. So SSB we get 119.7. Okay. The next step we need to identify the ANOVA table two-way. This one they call ANOVA table. Okay. So ANOVA table they have the sum of variation, sum of square, degree of freedom, mean square, then F distribution value. Sebelum ni kita cuma ada 2 saja kan. Bila kita ada 2 ANOVA, now it become 3. That means we have the block of Freeman, block and error. So just now, kita calculate this one in slide 32 SSB. Kita lihat dulu the table. Here. Kita cuma cari value ni saja. So we need to calculate SST, SSE, and SS total. Okay. So kita akan calculate SS total dengan SSE. So when we calculate the 3 of them, automatically we can get this value. Okay. So how to calculate the SS total? This one is similar to the previous example. Kita lihat example this one. This one example slide 22. How they calculate the SS total. Okay, guna method yang sama. Then how they calculate SSE. So using the same method. Maybe we calculate SS total, SSE, then just now we calculate the SSB. Okay. To calculate SSB, we already fulfill this group. Okay. Kita dah dapat this group. That means we just fill in the value of the sum square, sum of sum square here. Okay. Ini sama. The next step, we need to identify degree of freedom. That means k minus 1. That means we have here this table. We fill in this table, they get 3, 4, 12, and 19. Based on above this one formula, k minus 1, b minus 1, and so on. Then mean square. Here, SST divided by k minus 1. So we get the value here. And last one, we need to identify the F value. So F value we get here. First for treatment, we get 7.935. Another one for block, 9.785. Okay. Kita akan get the value of F distribution. Then we see what is our decision. Just now, we calculate our critical value 3.24, okay? 3.24 is our critical value. So, saya cuba padam, kita cuba develop. Then cuba kita tanya tadi last, saya tanya no Izati now, tanya Ui meeting. Hello Ui,
Yes, doctor.
what is decision? Boleh Ui, what is decision? So, saya cuba tulis graf. So, ini graf macam ni. So, kita punya macam tu. Kita punya critical value. Order is here. 3, 5, 2, 4. Now we get treatment somewhere in this area. Then another one we got block somewhere in this area. Okay. Wait, what is the decision?
Reject HO.
Okay. Tengok betul So we reject is 0. Why we reject 0? They reject because it's more than
More than 3.24.
24. Yes. Because this F value more than 3.24, that's why the both we reject the A0. We reject A0, we accept the
H1.
H1. So what H1 say?
Not all treatment means are the same.
Okay, that means not all treatment is same. That means these four roads are not same to the 5 drivers. So they have the different performance. Okay.
P.
So thank you, Owen.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay. The result say the both 5 people they have different in terms of performance of the 4 route. So the last one they will can use the p value to identify which driver is equal and which driver is not equal. Okay. Then we see the p value here. This one they call p value. So this one only provide in SPSS. Kalau kita buat dalam bentuk Excel, we need to calculate by our own. We see the p value here. Kita dapati only 3% are same. Kita boleh tanya Siti Nurul Fasihah.
Ya, Doktor.
Daripada P value ni kita boleh tengok tak yang mana driver yang paling bagus, yang perform. Boleh? Cuba hentam saja. Boleh tak? Hentam saja.
Pesan.
Hello? Ya.
Ya, Doktor.
Yang mana satu? Omson
Ah,
Omson lagi satu?
saya hentam je ni.
Hentam Siapa lagi?
Snaverly.
Nabili lagi. Lagi seorang?
Dings.
Din. Hentam ni berdasarkan apa? Bukan hentam ataupun berdasarkan figure saja. Sebab
Yang
daripada
paling
dia-
banyak. Yang paling.
Dia sepatutnya kita kena pilih P value. Lowest than 0.05. Apa yang lowest than 0.05?
Zolako.
Berlaku lagi. Ada lagi kurang. Feedback
Feedback.
dan juga signal value because kita dapat P value lowest than 0.05. That means these 3% are perform yang bagus compared to these 2% you get 0.14 then another one 0.059. Okay, how we do the decision for two-way ANOVA. Ini tulis one way suppose two-way ANOVA. Okay, now last kali kita exercise ni, you cuba snap gambar ni, you cuba buat exercise dan you hantar dekat group leader dan group leader hantar dekat saya. So kita namakan exercise ANOVA. Okay. Siapa-siapa kalau boleh group leader tolong snap gambar and share with your group and you buat dan you submit dekat saya by submit by Sunday next week. Boleh
Boleh, Doktor.
Okay, hari ni kita habis awal. So kita dah habis dah topik ANOVA kot. So next week kita akan masuk topik baru, chi-square, dan last one tu linear regression. Selepas tu kita dah habis dah. So saya nak share untuk QR code siapa yang belum scan Ahmad Nasharuddin ada? King Lim Yi Ying. Okay. Tadi dah sempat ni tak? Sempat tangkap gambar untuk this one? Okay, kalau tak ada apa, we end the class today. So, Assalamualaikum. King ada Mic rosak ke, Ting? Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, Doktor.
Thank you, Doktor.
Okay, welcome.
Waalaikumsalam. Terima kasih, Doktor.
Selamat